Hi friends, welcome to our channel. My name is Atharva and he is my brother Om. And today I am going to show how we can make a natural refrigerator. See, first we have used one mud pot, one small mud pot and two small mud pot. And here is we put a coriander, and coriander is so cool, and it is also not spoiling, and the in this pot the temperature was also not hot. It is called natural refrigerator. And now step 2, we have to make this at home. I can show you how can we make. We need this thing: one mud pot and one clean cloth, one jute cloth, and one digging weapon. So we have to do this. First, we have to dig this size of hole. First, we have mark from it. We put some water for easy digging. Now I am start to digging. We have dig this hole of this size. It is fitting like this, but we have to dig this hole. Then we have to cover this pot by mud. I had taken this mud. I am covering this mud from it. It is necessary to cover it. We had done this. We have take this jute cloth. We have put this jute cloth in this hole. We have to wet this cloth. Then we have to put this pot in this. It is wholly covered by jute cloth. Now we have to do like this. And now I am putting this mud on it. Now we are covering this with mud. Our refrigerator is ready. Now we have to put a cap of this refrigerator. I have taken a small pot. It is not fitting in this. Now we have taken bigger pot. It is fitting in this pot. It is the cap of this pot. Now we have to clean our pot by clean cloth. I had cleaned it. It is so dirty. Then our pot is ready. Now I am putting in this vegetables, brinjals, 3 brinjals, potatoes, and now I am putting this cap on the mud and putting some water by side, because when we put the water, the jute cloth absorbs this water and its temperature is so cool. My grandmother is using eco-friendly refrigerator at home daily. She is putting all the vegetables in it. The vegetables are not spoiling also. It is not work on electricity. It made up of natural things. It is very helpful for us. Nowadays we are using modern technologies refrigerators. It is very harmful for us because it filled with dangerous gases. It works on electricity, but our eco-friendly refrigerator not like that. It not have dangerous gases and it is good for our health. After 1 hour, the vegetables are so cool and its temperature is also very cool. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe it.
Thank you for watching my video.